Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this will prevent any accidental power on during the upgrade. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Dell Vostro 5000. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots. If you are upgrading, identify the existing RAM modules. To remove them, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick until it pops up at an angle. Carefully pull it out and set it aside. If you are adding new RAM, align the notch on the new module with the slot and insert it at a 30-degree angle. Press down firmly until the clips click into place. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you have completed the RAM installation and cleaning, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Now, reconnect the battery if applicable and plug your laptop back in. Power it on and enter the BIOS by pressing F2 during startup. Check that the new RAM is recognized correctly. If everything looks good, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what your laptop needs before committing to any repairs. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, it's a convenient option for everyone. After confirming that your RAM upgrade was successful, you should notice improved performance, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Enjoy your enhanced Dell Vostro 5000. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.